months old today. Look at that dog. She's not being happy over there. We've been hearing some squeals. Haven't we? Have you been squealing because Mommy went and sat down at the table to eat? Yeah. You're doing so good sitting up in there though.
Hey Mommy, what are you doing to the dog and Callie?
Uh-oh, and Caleb said he's getting out of his chair. He's supposed to be eating lunch. Oh, silly. Well, Allie, you're happy now because we're paying you some attention, right? You didn't like that we left and sat at the table to eat lunch, huh? You just like eating with us. Oh my. Oh my. What are you singing? Are you Bob the Builder?
Bob the Builder!
Nope, don't put it on Allie. She doesn't want it on her.
Bob, Mommy, let's see Bob, Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder.
Allie, that is a crazy brother, huh? Yeah.